This is the new itel A70, but we might as well call it the itel iPhone 70. Itel made this phone look like an iPhone. First is the rear design, then this digital notch, and then the case that has the magsafe design. The phone looks really good though. Anyways, in this video, I'll be reviewing every aspect of the itel A70 and also comparing it with its predecessor, the itel A60. Let's get into it. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Inside the box of the itel A70, we get the A70 itself. Next, we get an MTN card to redeem 1 GB of data. Next is the case. It fits the phone really well. Next, we get a 10-watt charging brick, Type-C cable, wired earphones, and the SIM ejector pin. All this will cost you 88,000 naira, which should be around $85 give or take. And by the way guys, we are really close to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new to our channel or you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Also like the video as well, as it helps YouTube to show our video to a wider audience. Alright, thank you. So like I said at the start of the video, the itel A70 looks like an iPhone. The rear camera design, the matte finish, the flat sides really give it that iPhone look. You might like it and you might not. For me, I like it. I think it looks good. I just wish there wasn't any text. Now the fingerprint scanner is on the right side of the power button and it works well. On the itel A60 it was on the rear. I'm glad it's now on the power button. We also get face unlock, which works well, but in the dark it won't work. You would have to use the fingerprint scanner. Now at the bottom of the phone we get the mono speaker grill, Type-C port, microphone and the headphone jack. On the itel A60 we got micro USB and now it's Type-C. Nice. Now on the left side we get the dual SIM card plus memory card slots. 6.6 inch 720p 60Hz LCD display is what we get on the itel A70, which is exactly the same display as the itel A60. The display on this device is average, similar to what you'd find on entry-level devices. It works fine indoors, but outdoors under the bright sunlight, you struggle to use the phone. The display doesn't get that bright. Now for cameras, we get a 13 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera, which is actually an upgrade from the itel A60, both hardware-wise and capability. The selfie camera can shoot up to 1080p at 30 fps. The itel A60 could only do 720p video. Anyways, I'm going to show you some samples now and let me know what you think of the photo quality and the video quality in the comments below. Hey guys, so this is what video looks like on the selfie camera, shooting at 1080p resolution. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And this is what video looks like on the rear camera, still shooting at 1080p resolution. Let me know what you think of the audio quality and the video quality in the comments below. Android 13 on itel OS version 13 is what we get on the itel A70. We get the dynamic bar, which shows up as a notch. This is what you can do with the dynamic bar for now. Hopefully itel adds more features to it in the future. We get 3 GB of RAM, which is expandable to 8 GB via memory fusion. Internal storage is also plenty. It's a 128 GB, which is great. The itel A60 only had 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, so this is a huge upgrade. The itel A70 is powered by the Unisoc T603 processor. Performance wise, this is better than the itel A60, but it's not that great. But you would still be able to play most games at the lowest settings. Don't just expect to play high demanding games comfortably on this phone. In fact, some games can't be installed on this device. I tried to install Asphalt 9 and it wasn't compatible. But then Genshin Impact was compatible, so what's going on? If you want good gaming performance, I'll recommend you go for the itel S23 Plus instead. Geekbench was also not compatible on the Play Store, but I downloaded the APK file and installed it, and these are the scores. Remember, this is an entry-level device, so expect entry-level performance. Now, 5000 mAh battery and 10 watts of charging is what we get on the itel A70, exactly the same as the itel A60, which is great battery life. You'll be able to use this phone for over a day on moderate use. But the charging is slow. You're looking at over 3 hours to go from 0 to 100%. So that's my review of the itel A70. If you're looking for a reliable phone, an awesome design, great battery life, Type-C ports, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for under $100, the itel A70 tick those boxes. And if you already own the itel A60, I actually think it's worth it to upgrade. Maybe you can try to do a swap, because the 32GB of storage on the itel A60 is not enough in 2023. So because of the 128GB of storage and the Type-C ports, maybe you should upgrade. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos just like this one. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers, so let's get it. Hit that subscribe button, okay? My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and you'd see me in my next video.